Is very similar to the other question we just had. I just solved this in another video. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to use the distributive property to distribute this term, negative 3x, and multiply it by the two terms that are inside the parentheses. So in other words, we're going to take negative 3x times x, we're multiplying here, and negative 3x times 4, and we're going to subtract those two products. So we have negative 3x times x, that's our first distribution, and then minus negative 3x times 4. I think what confuses people is the subtraction sign here. We could think of this second term as a negative 4 and then add the two, so we'd have negative 3x times x plus negative 3x times negative 4. It would still have the same effect. But I like to think of this term as just being 4. It's one less negative for me to think about, and then just subtract the two terms. So negative 3x times x. We have x times x, which is x squared, so it's negative 3x squared, minus, in this case it's negative 3x times 4. I'm going to multiply my two numbers, my coefficients. Negative 3 times 4, a negative times a positive is a negative, and we can think of it as 3 times 4, or 12, so it's negative 12, and we still have that x there, so it's negative 3x squared minus 12x, and the only choice that has that right here is C, which is negative 3x squared minus 12x.